how to fix a missing workout app on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find and unhide any app that has disappeared from your home screen on your Android device. First, go to your home screen and pinch in or long press on any empty space. After that, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner to open your home screen settings. From there, scroll down and tap on Hide Apps on Home and App Screen. At this point, you'll see a list of all the apps that are currently hidden on your device. In the next step, look for your workout app from the Hidden Apps list. Following this, tap on it to deselect it and remove it from the hidden list. Once done, tap Apply or Done to confirm. Finally, go back to your home screen and app drawer to confirm that your workout app is now visible again. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you recover your missing workout app, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.